Who stole the cat?
Do I look like I'd steal a cat? Ask him.
Why are y'all looking at me? I'm just trying to go to the gym.
You think I stole the cat? Please? I can't even commit to a houseplant.
So can you guess who stole the cat? Write your answer in the comments as quickly as possible. Less than 5% of people can figure out which one stole the cat. And I'm sure you are the right person to answer this question. Remember to look at the details.
Before I revealed it, press like and subscribe to the channel to be